Good morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message. Click on Start Chat, because all we have to reach is this keyboard panel. And once we are here, as you can see here, we've got two languages applied. We can switch them by tapping on word icon here. So the difference is pretty simple, just a different layout of letters, but still here we've got two different keywords. However, if you want to change it fully and apply one language only and with totally different letters, just open the settings, go to languages, tap on Add Keyboard. Now select the language that you want to apply. So let me pick, for example, Arabic. Tap on Done. And now you can smoothly remove unnecessary languages by tapping on Edit icon, mark those languages that you wish to get rid of, tap on Bin, and that's it. Now, when you will go back to your keyboard, you will be able to see the difference. And now we've got one language only, as you can see there is no sign of like the word icon, which allow us to change the languages. Obviously you can leave them if you wish, but this is it. So this is how you can manage keyboard languages. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.